Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Lens on Google Chrome, so let's get started. If you want to copy a text from a photo, then basically you cannot do that. But with Google Lens, it will be much easier. So we can just type in anything that we want on Google, just hit on the or right click the photo, then click search image on Google. You will have to maximize this one. Just click on the maximize icon beside the exit button. Now this will open up. Click on the upload and then hit the computer, and you have to upload the photo or file that you want to copy a text from. Let's say I want to go to this one. And as you can see that we can now copy this American Express Platinum. You just have to click on copy. If you have a notepad, then you might want to paste that from. You see that the text from the photo has been pasted now. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.